Hello everyone, how are you doing today? I'm Mr. Jones Casto and I would like to welcome you to Jones Casto, your ultimate destination for entertainment and news. Our YouTube channel brings you the latest in news and entertainment, while our brokers services excel in mergers and acquisitions, as well as the buying and selling of exclusive real estate, luxury yachts, corporate jets, and helicopters, along with managing their global operations. For more details, visit our website at jonescrusto.com or contact us at jonescrusto@gmail.com. Thank you for tuning in. Next, let's dive into a discussion about Embraer's record quarter, 75 aircraft delivered. Join us as we unravel the stellar performance of Brazil's Embraer, the world's third largest plane maker, delivering an impressive 75 aircraft in Q4. From commercial jets to sleek executive designs, discover how this industry leader continues to soar. Don't miss the exciting insight. Subscribe to Jones Crasto's YouTube channel for exclusive aviation content. Like, share, and comment to fuel a lively discussion on Embraer's impressive milestone and the future of aerospace innovation. Introduction. Brazilian aerospace giant Embraer has once again proven its prowess, delivering 75 aircraft in the fourth quarter of last year. This includes 31 commercial jets and 44 executive jets, cementing its position as a key player in global aviation. A stellar performance. This achievement mirrors Embraer's strong Q4 performance in 2023, showcasing its consistent ability to meet demand across multiple sectors. With a 14% increase in total annual deliveries compared to the previous year, the numbers speak volumes about the company's growth. Commercial jets take center stage. The delivery of 31 commercial jets reflects Embraer's strength in catering to regional airlines. These aircraft are known for their efficiency, reliability, and ability to connect smaller cities to larger hubs, a vital aspect of modern air travel. Executive jets shine bright. Embraer's 44 executive jets delivered in Q4 underscore its dominance in the private aviation sector. Models like the Freighter 600 and Phenom 300 are highly sought after for their luxury performance and cutting edge technology. A record year with 206 total aircraft delivered in 2024. Embraer has exceeded air expectations. This growth highlights the company's resilience and adaptability in a competitive market, particularly as global travel demand rebounds. Breaking down the numbers, the 14% increase in deliveries compared to 2023 showcases Embraer's commitment to innovation and operational excellence. Its ability to scale production while maintaining quality has been instrumental in achieving this milestone. Global reach from Latin America to North America, Europe, and beyond. Embraer's aircraft are making their mark. Its commercial jets are helping airlines expand routes, while its executive jets redefine luxury travel worldwide. Customer centric approach. One of Embraer's key strengths lies in understanding its customers' needs, whether it's airlines seeking fuel efficiency or individuals looking for premium private jets. The company delivers tailored solutions. Innovative engineering. Embraer's commitment to innovation is evident in its cutting-edge aircraft design. Features like advanced avionics, fuel-efficient engines, and state-of-the-art interiors set its jets apart in a competitive industry. Future-proofing growth. With plans to release its full Q4 earnings on February 27, Embraer is poised to provide deeper insights into its strategic round roadmap. Analysts and aviation enthusiasts alike eagerly await these updates. The power of scale. Balancing large-scale commercial jet produ- production with customized executive aircraft manufacturing is no small feat. Embraer's ability to excel in both segments underscores its versatility and industry leadership. Impact on regional connectivity. Embraer's commercial jets play a critical role in connecting underserved regions. Their ability to operate in shorter shorter runways and in remote areas makes them indispensable for regional airlines. Luxury at its best. The executive jet market continues to grow, and Embraer is leading the charge with customizable interiors, top tier performance, and unmatched customer service. These jets redefine what it means to travel in style. What are your thoughts on Embraer's achievements? How do you see its role shaping the future of aviation? Share your opinions in the comments and let's dive into an engaging discussion about this aerospace powerhouse. Embraer's delivery of 75 aircraft in Q4 is a testament to its commitment to excellence and innovation. Stay tuned to Jones Crusto's YouTube channel for more in-depth analysis of aviation milestones. Hit that subscribe button and join our journey into the skies. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your time. Thank you.